With absolutely no capital investment, your building can help reduce CO2 emissions and at the same time, save you money. During those hot summer months, running your building's air conditioning system at maximum calls for power at the daily peak time of the grid's energy production. During this peak time, the power plants discharge the highest amount of CO2 into the atmosphere. The pollution is at its highest for the day, and the electric price is just as bad. There is a solution, though, so unique and logical that it was granted a U.S. patent. Peak thermal storage is software that contains an algorithm for machine learning that adjusts the pre-cooling for your building based on the weather conditions and also its thermal capability. Onsite Utility Services Capital can help your building's actual mass act as thermal energy storage, and there's no budget required to do anything to the building. Your building, just as it is, can act as storage for cooler thermal energy. How do we do this? Peak thermal storage simply works with your building's existing air conditioning systems and its thermal mass, which consists of concrete, steel, and plasterboard. Once the cool air is created, the pre-cooled energy is stored by the building from the night before. These cooler temperatures are created during the lowest peak demand time and the lowest price. Then, as the sun rises for the new day, the temperatures also rise. But during those high temperatures and higher cost periods, cooled energy is given off by the building, and your air conditioning systems can be turned off or lowered from maximum operation. So simple, and yet so effective. Let us help you reduce your building's peak demand and kilowatt-hour consumption, while protecting your client's comfort and reducing the CO2 emissions. Peak thermal storage can reduce your kilowatt-hour and demand charges. Peak thermal storage shifts your energy usage from on-peak to off-peak hours and improves your pricing for electricity. Peak thermal storage reduces your capacity peak load contribution, while at the same time reduces your carbon footprint. Contact us for a savings estimate for your building. For even more information, contact Onsite Utility Services Capital